In this video, I will show you how to create Wise accounts. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Wise is a financial service which allows you to send money abroad or spend at a real exchange rate when you travel or shop online. Now, if you actually click on the link in the video description down below, I've left a link, so I've actually got a partnership deal with Wise where you will be gifted a free card or a transfer which is up to 500 GBP. Upon clicking that link, you'll be taken to the official Wise website, which is going to look like this, and it's just a few minutes to get your Wise account. So what you want to do is enter your email address into here and then click the Get Your Gift button. Once you've done that, it's going to ask what kind of account would you like to open, so you can choose to open a personal account or business account, of course depending on what you need your account for. In this example, we're going to go ahead and just open up a personal account. Then it's going to ask where you live most of the time, so you just want to select the country that you're in most of the time. For myself, that's going to be the United Kingdom, and then click continue at the bottom. At this point, it's going to tell you what you can do with Wise in your specified country. So for myself, for example, I can send money abroad. I can make low-cost international transfers from 31 to 51 currencies. I've also got the option to spend abroad with a card, hold and convert money. Also, I can receive money from abroad without any fees, and I can earn returns every working day and use them instantly. So all you need to do now is scroll down to the bottom and click the continue button. Then what you need to do is verify your phone number with a code. So at this point, you want to enter your phone number. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but once you've done that, you want to click to send your verification code. At this point, check your phone number and enter the code into the next screen. And once you've done that, come and click onto done at the bottom. After doing that, it's going to complete your sign up and take you to the sign in screen. So all you need to do now is choose a password, enter your email and password, log into your account, and you will be good to go. This is what Wise looks like when you've logged in. So from here, of course, you can see a number of different things you can do. For example, send money, add money to your Wise account. And you can also request money as well, request payments and things like that. Of course, there's a ton of really cool features of Wise, but to create your account, as mentioned, just click the link in the video description below, which is going to get you a free card or a free transfer, and you'll be good to go. So that is how to create Wise account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.